Okay, so we were discussing this exercise 6b. So let's discuss few more questions. Now suppose the equation is like this. So first step will be this 6 will go there in the cross multiplication, that is 12 into 4 minus x. So it will become x minus y is equals to 48 minus 12x. So finally what we will get? We will get 13x minus y finally we will get 13x minus y is equals to 48. So this will be my first equation. Next, what is given? 2x plus y is equals to 3 into x minus 4. So this side we will solve 3x minus 12, 2x plus y. Again I will take this here, it becomes minus x plus y is equals to minus 12. This is my second equation. So I will put these two equations together like this. Now see, this y and this y have the same coefficient, so no need to multiply it by 13 on both sides. We will simply add these two. So when we add, y minus y will 0, 13 minus 1 will be 12x is equals to 36. So from here I will get x equal to 36 by 12, that is 3. Now we will put value of x in, suppose I put in second equation. So that is minus x plus y is equals to minus 12. So it is minus 3 plus y is equals to minus 12. So I will get y equals to minus 9. Okay, now let's see a very different type of question and a different approach to solve. Suppose this is question number 10 and it is 41x plus 53y is equals to 135 and 53x plus 41y is equals to 147. Now the problem in these type of questions is, suppose if you try to equalize x and y. So there 53 and 41 both are the prime numbers. So their LCM will be a very big number. Okay. So instead what we can do, we will assume it as our first equation and second equation. So in order to avoid the complex calculations, now if we notice this, 51 plus 41 plus 53 is equals to 94. So in the both places I will get 94. Similarly 53 minus 51 will be giving to me 12. Okay, in the both places. So what I am going to do here, first I will add 1 and 2. Okay. So when I add these two equations, so what I will get, 41x plus 53y is equals to 135 and 53x plus 41y is equals to 147. So it is 94x plus 94y is equals to 282. Now I will take 94 as common. So x plus y is 282 and what is x plus y? 282 upon 94. and when I solve, I will get it as 3. So what is the equation finally I am having? X plus y is equals to 3. This will be let, this is our third equation. In the second step, I will subtract 1 and 2. So see, it will be 41x plus 53y is equals to 135, and 53x plus 41y is equals to 147, and on subtracting I get minus 12x plus 12y is equals to minus 12. So here I will take minus 12 as common, so it becomes x minus y is equals to minus 12, or x minus y becomes 1. So this is my fourth equation. Let's write these two equations together. Now if you see very carefully, these are the relatively and more easier to solve than these type of equations. So next what we can do, we can add them. So it is 2x equal to 4. So from here you will get x equal to 2. Then I will put value of x in, suppose, third equation. So 2 plus y is equals to 3. So I will get y is equals to 1. So in these type of equations, wherever the coefficients are very lengthy and their LCM will be very lengthy, or second thing is, if their addition of the coefficient and subtraction of the coefficient is giving the same result. Here it is giving 94 and 94, and here it is giving 12 and 12. So you can first add, afterwards you can then subtract. After doing this, you will get the relatively easier equations than the given equations. Then the questions likes of this, in which these two equations are given, and with the help of, we have to find the value of these two expressions that are here. So what we are going to do first we will solve these two equations simultaneously. So first I will write it like this: 7x minus 10y is equals to 4. Okay, this 4 minus 4 will go there. Now we will make either y is equal or either x is equal. So this is our first equation and this is our second equation. So let's make y as equal. So I will multiply both side by 5, and here I will multiply both side by 9. Why? Because LCM of 18 and 10 will be how much? 90. So depending upon this 90, I want to make 18 and 10 as 90. So like this, so it will be 60x plus 90y is equals to 5, and 63x minus 90y is equals to 36. So when we add, we will get 123x equal to 41. So what is x? 41 upon 123, that is 1 by 3. Okay, so this is our x. Now we will put value of x in first equation. So this was our first equation. So it will be how much? 12 into 1 by 3 plus 18y is equals to 1. So it will be 4. So 4 plus 18y is equals to 1. 18y equals to minus 3. So from here you will get y equal to minus 1 by 6. Okay, after getting the value of x and y, we will find this value 4x plus 6y, 4 into 1 by 3 plus 6 into minus 1 by 6. So it is 4 by 3 minus 1, 4 minus 3 upon 3, that is 1 upon 3. And in the second, 8y minus x, 8 into minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 3. So minus 4 by 3, 2 into 4, 2 into 3 minus 1 by 3. So it is minus 5 upon 3. So this is the value of this second expression. So in order to find the value of any given algebraic expression related to these two equations, you first have to find the value of x and y. Okay, suppose the equation is like this. Again, it is a very complicated equation. So what we are going to do, let it be like this, and here we will take the LCM. So it is 2y minus x plus 12x minus 20. Now we will do the cross multiplication. It will be 4 into y plus 7 equal to 5 into 2y plus 11x minus 20. So 4y plus 28 equals to 10y plus 55x minus 100. So finally I will take like this, 55x plus 6y equal to 128. See, this will be our first equation. Similarly, here I will take the LCM of 2 and 6. It will be 6. So it is 3 into 7 minus 5x plus 3 minus 4y equals to 5y minus 18. So 21 minus 15x plus 3 minus 4y equal to, this 6 will come here. So minus 15x minus 4y plus 24 equal to 30y minus 108. Then again we will take all the things there. So it becomes 15x plus 34y is equals to 132. So this is our second equation. Now let's write these two equations together. 55x plus 6y is equals to 120. That was our first equation. So what we have done till now, we have reduced these lengthy equations into the linear equations. We are going to equalize their coefficients, or LCM of 15 and 55, it will be 65. It will be 165. So I will multiply this equation by 11 and this equation by 3. So it becomes 165x plus 374y is equals to 1452, and 165x plus 18y is equals to 384. So let's subtract it. So it will be 356y is equals to 8, 6, 1068. So what is y? 1068 upon 356, that is 3. So here we get y is equals to 3. Okay. Now we will put value of y in first equation. So 55x plus 18 is equals to 128. So 55x is equals to 110 and x equal to 1110 by 55, that is 2. Okay, so whenever you have the complicated equations, you should have the approach to reduce the equations in the form of ax plus by equal to c.